Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. On our first video, we are going to make a Rage Comics inspired Lithophane lamp. These are the materials that we are going to use: rechargeable flashlight, small table lamp, solder and soldering iron, hot glue, connecting wires, and some super glue. First, we need to disassemble the flashlight. Remove all the screws to get to the inside. Cut off the wires leading to the battery to free up the light and the charging port assembly. Then set it aside. Next, we need to disassemble the small lamp. Remove all the screws to get into the inside. Cut the wires leading to the light itself. Next, set aside the switch button. We are going to use it for later. Free up the light to the casing. Remove the switch and charging port assembly. It will all be part of our project. This type of flashlight have a low and high beam. We only need the high, so cut off the white wire and retain the black and red wire. These are the 3D printed materials that we are going to use: the middle part, the top part, and the bottom part, and some custom bracket for the inside. I will be creating a separate video on how to print lithophanes. Let's start with the top part. Screw in the lamp assembly to the top cover. Add some super glue to keep it in place. Next, take out the switch and switch button that we take out of the lamp. Fix it in place with the custom bracket we made and add some super glue. We then proceed to the bottom cover. Take out the charging port and add some length of wire. Don't forget to use some heat shrink tubings, then glue it in place. Next, place the battery in the middle of the cover and add some super glue. Let's start wiring based on this schematic diagram. Tidy up the wires using some heat shrink tubing and hot glue. Let's now fix the bottom cover to the middle part using super glue. Continue the wiring of the top cover based on the schematic diagram. Okay, let's see if it works. As you can see, the wires inside are still visible, so let's fix it. Now, fix the top cover with super glue and we are done.